Hi, my name is Beth Gaddis, and I'm the Vice President of Marketing at Patient Prism, and I'm joined on set today with Janet Hagerman. Janet, it's a pleasure to have you here.
Hi, Beth.
We have had a lot of fun talking about a lot of different things today.
Yes.
And you said something that really struck me, and it was called the bright side of baggage. Can you explain what that phrase means?
Absolutely. With selling dentistry is a whole process of setting the patient up for success. Mm-hmm. So the bright side of baggage is just a tiny little technique that can have a huge difference in how patients receive their experience in your office. So this is the thing. As dental people, we are trained to leave our baggage at the door when we walk in. Our personal baggage, our personal problems, whatever. Leave it at the door because we're going to focus on our patients. However, nobody tells our patients to leave their baggage at the door.
They have a lot.
Well, we all do, So they come to see us, and what's the first thing we typically say when we greet a patient? Hello. How are you? Right. So we're basically inviting people to drop their baggage. And we hear it all, all of us in dentistry, we hear all the problems and the difficulties and the challenges. So what if we did one tiny little tweak, and instead of saying, how are you, we said something like, so what did you do for fun this weekend? Or what are you going to do for fun this weekend? Or what's the top 2 funnest things that you did last week?
It puts them into a positive mentality.
It puts them into a state of positivity. So it just changes, and it makes a big difference. It makes a big difference. That tiny little switch has a big impact.
We talk a lot about building rapport with patients. So if you build rapport, if they like you, they're going to be more apt to want to come back to visit you again.
Absolutely.
And it builds trust, and it builds, we call it turning a stranger into a friend.
Absolutely.
And I feel like this is a really easy way to create that rapport a lot faster.
It's happy talk.
It's happy talk.
It's talking happy.
Absolutely. So Janet is an international speaker. She's an author. You're a consultant. You're the director of dental hygiene at a large DSO that we both worked at in the past.
Yeah.
And you've written a book called Selling Dentistry Ethically, Eloquently, and Effectively. And, in that book, you talk about how you don't have to be a salesperson in order to sell dentistry. That's not what it's about. It's about building relationships with people.
It's about speaking and selling from the heart. Mm-hmm. It's about creating relationships. Trust is your treasure. Relationships rule. And it's about having emotional conversations, not just clinical conversations.
And you've created a complimentary free mini-series of videos.
Yes.
So tell people how they can find those to learn a little bit more.
Very simple. Just go to www.sellthatsmile.com and register, and you'll get 3 free mini videos.
And they're about 5 minutes each, so a perfect morning huddle, or perfect for watching on your lunch break, or something of that nature.
Yep, exactly.
Janet, thanks so much for coming in today.
As always, thank you, Beth.